Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, December 11th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And gold came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top-down analysis on gold for this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So gold did keep on pushing up today. This morning I was talking about if it breaks structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level, I would definitely take that as a sorting opportunity for sure. But as you can see, it never did break structure. It broke a little bit of a subdivision structure right there, but that was just a subdivision of this little trend right here. That was definitely not an important structure. As you can see, we definitely got higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. We are back at these highs right here, and I still personally think that this does have that ABC look. So I'm still looking at this as possibly being a way B. If this high right here does hold and it does, something like this, and if it gives you a break of structure down, then I would still take it as a short for the continuation down for a wave C. If it doesn't give you a break of structure and it just continues the high low series, then I would definitely continue to look for longs at the end of every single pullback I saw, at least until I did see a nice break of structure to the downside. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.